YouTube, here we go on. Welcome back to Davi Dan HD. A big, super massive, huge, ginormous thanks to everybody who tuned into the first movie. Subscribe, like, copy, and share it, and make a reach over 1,000 subscribers so we can do certain things. Alright, here we go on. New movie, Cruff from Jamaica. I even talk all it, but something I need you to know. Tune in to just check the description. So information down there. The bad cover art, them bad channel logo, steel drum plate, everything in the description. Just check out if you know one time. But for now, welcome to Cruff from Jamaica. Man. They are all long, man. They are all long away from him, brother. You know, so I don't do them things when I there town. I don't turn up in a sun and wait for a boy. I know a man can't come, brother. And the man knows say, yo, I'm hot at town, bad man. Everywhere me go, people are looking for me, brother. Yo, some loose style, man, I go out there, I see my brother. Watch out. I know, brother. Funny time, brother. Man, I have me all long away from him, bad man. If you want it 5 minutes, that's what I want. You know, somebody want man a week, give him 5 minutes, just want to walk by me out there, man. Yeah, today. Like 10 or so. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's all one more to get your rim feet. But give me a minute, let me call you back, here. Alright. Oh. I think you never did have come off my phone, bad man. Yo, how you feel make me there park so long and wait for your dog? Watch you, man. You know, say I remember, me not remember you. Yo, you know, say me a done a town, you know, me not wait for a boy, you know. You done a town, you know, done a niggle. You feel like when you done a road and you go to jail, you done. My yo, right now, me under my bike chest, me know nobody stress me, you know. Brother, next time, don't do me that, brother, because I know Davi Dan, don't do me that, dog. So what kind of loose move you left, man, pan bad man? Let me ask you a question, you a tourist? Yo, are you a tourist? Bad man, what kind of tourist business are they pan, brother? You know, say I run my show and me there town, bad man. You can't leave me stranded, bro. I expect better than that from you, brother. You make me all walk in a hot sun. Bro, listen up, I left you stranded. I there try to deal with my bike, brother. I never remember nothing. Brother, I call the phone, bad man. I should have sent somebody to come pick me up. I 1, 2, 3, I get in and I get no call. I don't see phone a ring. I 1, 2, 3, I say forward. Yo, I not reason with that no more. Where Davi? Davi not tell us I'm deal with something so that's why he beg me to pick you up. So you have the key? Yeah, I left the key with him, brother. I tell Davi the next time in a So you left the key with? When me I go sleep? Want some rest, yeah, right? Yeah, I have the key. Oh. Say so give me a key, bad man. I don't know a long argument with the bad man. Give me a key if you give me a key, bad man. Yeah, I see why they really run your front town, okay? Yeah, no sense. No boy I know girl can run my front town. No boy I know girl can run my front town. And me run my show at town. Feel like town and nigga like same thing, boy. Watch it with the town badness. One nigga player. Yes, a new king is in town. How am I there? Oh, that was a dream, but how am I there? Belly all hurt me. Dream the wicked right now I feel like mother shit, but me all feel hungry at the same time, man. I wonder if not there. What's that? Smell the sun chips. Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
What's in it?
You go out here.
I'm there, no. What going on?
I'm there. So I carry something to give them to you. You know, say your favorite.
Thanks. You get you something?
Your money?
Yeah.
Yeah, babes, you know, so I get you, but you know what I say? I'm not tell you no lie. My brother called me last night. So I say, yo, police are circle him, and he get some good information. So if he turn on yard tonight, they're going to kill him.
So when me go and get you?
Hold on, man. Hold on, look at it too good. I tell you what I want. I have some of my money, but I don't have a whole lot now. My brother tell me, say, yo, if you're not forward, I left the case, I'm going to get rid of him. I police don't want him. I tell me, see my bad man and sitting. And if them are come for him, so I tell him, say, he can't forward tonight. So I don't know when I go sleep last night, but he's supposed to step on him. I have to forward in the evening. So, the money you have, I tell him, I'm going to give you $5 grand. But what's now? I tell my plan for you.
I don't want 10 or 15 million.
15. No anything, man. But I can't give you all like no. I just start I think become my brother forward and then I make some arrangements for him. And then make a style. So just that man thing us for. How you do? Just there and come on the beach.
Wash off my foot, wash off the salt and put the water, salt and home.
You can't use salt water and wash off salt.
I let me understand water thing too.
Water?
I let me know, let me know.
Don't worry about it, man. So I send him $5 grand in your account. And the rest, I just start out. But I just let me tell you, my brother.
Okay.
So if you come down tonight, I'm going to see you on a show.
Yeah, man, you will see me.
Tired. What that smell so? I'm in the room tight, pull up too. Next one, bring that so. Yo, who this in there, sir?
Yo, who that?
Yo, who this in my house?
Who that?
Yo, who in my house?
Who that?
Boy, if you know me door, me a forward in there now.
Yo, you sure alright, do you knock? Yo,
Are you that?
Bro, no do that.
Yo, me dog, yo, bore me down, bore February. Yo, my forward dog, right now you make me there panic in my house and sitting.
Yo, you can't frighten me, so bro.
You know what, dog, bro, I threw me forward in my house and me and say, yo, stink. I wonder how I go on then. I come on and peep, I say like chips in my mouth and sitting dog, me and say, yo, no, somebody have been here.
Bro, I'm in there, bro, you know me hungry, dog, and...
So, how you hungry, dog? You know, dance around town. How you feel hungry, dog? Actually, you don't know where you know which part of the shop.
Well, you know, me don't hear no bad man. You know, live them a Cruff life here when me there town, no bad man.
Why you ambassador not like we there town, ambassador not like we know about your lifestyle and that. I'm sure you're a bad boy, you have to do it, so that's why you have to go.
Bad man, bad or no bad, first thing first, when me there town, me a done in my place. Me don't have chips, dog, a Russian stagnant is, bro.
So, yo, me know say you're done in your place, but you couldn't tidy up my place. You don't feel like that could have do good, because I look like you're asleep and frowns up in and to that. But you don't know you're doing this, because I look like I cut you, that.
Bad man, this year, this me, no brother. I wouldn't make me there and try this off for me bad
Why
man.
this off fire with what, bro?
When me pull up on the ends bad man, me drop asleep. When me get time to clean up the ends man.
Nah man, when you get this out, you good though.
Yeah.
You're married, not sure. But that even fears that. Yeah, done that. Yeah, finished. So here I go tomorrow me go up on the road and go look through girl. You see me? But not tell them boy your lifestyle back up so you know that. You see me? Because I'm say you hot road said way. So come there and reach down. You see me?
Yo. I want something to eat bad man.
What you want to buy for you?
I decide only thing to eat from coming bad man. But you know we're a soldier dog. That we
Yo, you can't hold on man. I mean, are you want to give me money? Then freeze the account.
Bro, I truly even know bad man. You know say I run off coming bad man.
Yo, don't worry about that dog. Tell her, we grab something for you. We make you get something for them dog. You see me?
No, wait, you know, but me nobody peel me like the next dog, you know.
It's cool, man. Chop. Nah, man. Watch out. Yo! Hey, lucky door, dog.
Well, I know, so I told me that all I hear.
I want to see food there.
Cause like a dead me up to dead film, brother. I was trying to take the food bad man.
I show you know come from we're a different type of place. But you are going to say this so. We can sleep in this room after today. If tomorrow you know must get up and see me.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here go up on the road so we use some business. Matter of fact, might be a couple of days and see me too. But me there back still.
So how long you have to take?
Me there that what you should start me and get up and go up on the road early.
Bad man, I can't leave me stranded, so me going to am later on tomorrow.
Yeah, we find out here man. Must say I done from town. Make two link down. You find out
Yeah, you
here.
want joke kind of bad man, I know.
Yeah, but that's still. So I just say phone number to come. Yeah, go back.
Respect people.
Yeah.
Who that?
Brother,
Yo.
at 12 o'clock evening dog or night or whatever time you make it up it.
Bad man, I must get some rest, brother.
What kind of rest dog?
Tired, brother.
See I couldn't be it, no them me say nice.
Bad man, I want to tell me not come down with as much clothes, bro.
Nah man. Anyways,
That make you, bro, I run in front of town, you know, bad
brother,
man.
nah man. Brother, you can't keep the place clean dog. Oh man. Anyways, I'm sitting in my comfort dog when I left in your room. I'm in here, but I take over thing. What's your man say to dog? Bro, some play there. Me no bother you. Me no know if you are gonna do nothing, but if you can't, do that if you can't watch it.
Bad man, I bring me come here and work. Bad
What
man.
kind of bring comfort down?
Like a maid or a slave.
You know, nah man.
Yeah, bad man at town, you know, Davi.
Brother, I nigga with this dog, we keep on telling this nigga run different, bro.
Yeah, me, if you like say me a dad, me at town, me don't do nothing, you know.
Kaya lang paper tulang na. Dahil yun na.
Give you one.
Speaking of the devil,
What?
me there, what?
I'm there, I come from, but I tell some brother I come down. But they made about, boy, I mean, I know, that boy, he don't want to do nothing in that house. Right now, he doesn't feel bad.
So you do something in the house?
Yeah, of course, I'm my place now, to keep it clean.
So are you alone eat and cook and everything in the house?
I mean, well, yesterday, I mean, cook. You say I'm there on the road.
You play them, are you alone eat out of all of them?
No,
Okay. So I'm a king?
I don't know king, but, you know, I'm a look brother that I can't deal with him now.
Oh, you not on that then?
I don't know still, but he man just has some style, and then he ever chat about how back in a film place, I'm a king. Can you tell me say I'm a king back in a film place, you know?
Not a back in a film place and a your place in the night.
Well, them not sitting there me tell him, but I don't know, it just,
You
that
better
boy,
just come from friend and say, do.
foreign.
Yeah.
If I'm foreign, you want to call it, I thought he come from.
So he come, I work, he go work.
I don't know, he go do it now.
You better must come down. So where sitting there, this saying argument?
Oh, yeah, that's all next season too. Yeah, me send it to your account.
Oh!
Don't worry about it, man.
A 50 me decent, but I see one pack of nails for 5 grand and I want them to, so 20 that.
Don't worry about that, man.
Plus 5 of it,
Let me make sure it's
so 25.
If I did that one time, some people come in any moment now, and the time I did set so, a transaction to the schedule, so you get you any moment.
25.
20.
5. The next 5 of buy things for you, so you come over there and say you're hungry.
No, man, I'm not hungry, man. So we said
What me want to do?
we said 15 on the tell about. So, yeah, I be scared that. I just feel my way about my brother. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, where you have to go? Use this, you see the things that you do, clean up after yourself. And then, like, if plate left back in the sink in use, can then go put them pan in bed. Simple.
I don't know about that, sir.
You're too soft, and that's why people always deal with you, sir.
You feel so?
Yeah.
You really feel so? Me not believe
What time I have to tell you?
No, me not believe that. Look, I just nice, me nice. Me no want things say
You're soft.
What's that, my little brother?
Little brother on my backside. So, call my little brother, you're the bigger one, so you have to do everything. Your favorite idiot.
Yeah, I'm see about going. But don't worry about that. So, what you do with the money? You know? You'll get something now.
Buy the sitting on me, the one, buy the food, and go get in here and sitting.
So, how do you do that?
I want party I keep later, I the one go to.
I don't know about that. Me I will chat about that on the phone. You don't know about that.
A couple more hours left back, you know?
Me I will chat on the phone. I not feel good now. My head right, my head not there right as now.
Alright. Where they go?
You get something now?
Yeah, that me I go do.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Bye-bye.
What else do you want? Is that one you know using?
Tiana. Hello. Girl, hi. Tiana. Akela from school days.
Did mama?
Girl, what go on?
Me there.
You go?
Yes, mama.
For me there, do little shopping for me little niece.
Yeah, I do shopping for my son, mama.
Have picnic?
Yes, girl.
Oh God. So how life I go on? As long as I come, I don't see have picnic.
Yeah, me say
Or your brother you talk for that
I want
picnic.
a boyfriend.
You have boyfriend? You was so shy, fine man.
We can't share together, mama.
My God, so how life with you and him?
Like,
They look fat up and round up.
I just see that they look grown up, mama.
But me not no man, me not need no man right now, but me happy to say you find a man.
Yes, girl. So you know everything.
Girl, everything in my life alright. You know me and Dotty Joe from high school days.
You and Joe still at her?
Nope, me and Joe stop talk. Joe give me bond with him best friend, so.
With him best friend?
Yes, the one that one. You need all of them to come in?
Mama, he house big, so you have to have all of them.
So you give me bond with him best friend, so me just any relationship. This same girl with that tell me about a million
Look,
believe
dirty
you.
girl.
Kisa. Yeah, Kisa.
We did tell you.
Oh God, but
You smell good?
no, put it back. You know, like I want to put back one day. If you buy the one done at the Chinese over there, one of my
Over next Chinese?
Yeah.
I think you buy them too. Boy, them look like it's rotten.
So how you and your man?
He alright.
Oh.
But the man have one brother to come from town in TB. He said it stress him out to make him feel some type of way. I don't want to do nothing. What you going to tell my name so?
The name sound family, but I don't know who I remember say.
Brown maga boy and he head flat up in name TB.
Girl,
And
I
he
don't know.
was big.
I don't know the name ring a bell, but I don't know who. As I can remember say, a whole heap of people, Maga and Brown, a whole heap of people named TB. So, I don't know if the TB who I know, you know. But make it tell you. But anyways, girl, me we catch up, here.
Alright, Mama.
Alright.
See you.
All of that. Oh boy, I'm tired. It's a good thing to put something in a taxi. Should wait there. TB. How that name that sounds so familiar? TB. Where me know TB from? Oh. When I go and call Stephanie. As Stephanie me here with her name there. Go and call Stephanie.
I tell you, no, man. Man, in the big boy get up and can't wash place, yo. Man, not even get up yet.
Come in, guys. Top up his crib. Alright, big way, Mr. Say I top, man. Say I top up his crib. Enough respect. Appreciate it. Top up his crib, guys. Yo, catch you on the triple up. Hello. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there.
Hello, excuse me, Davi Dan here?
Davi, no, it's about me there.
I know you want to come to, Davi, come to.
Why is he there?
That's one of your business. In the year you sorry me.
No, but me there.
Me not ask about you, me ask about him.
So, me not tell us say no, you not there, but me there.
Me not come to you.
So what make sure you come to Davi and Davi not there and me and tell us say me not come to me. Me there, I will talk about you not come to me. I reason why you feel why you there, you know.
So why you keep on telling me say you there?
So what me can't tell us say you there.
Me still say you there. How come me not talk to
So
Davi?
come all and see it, man.
Me not
Davi.
me good. God give me respect.
But you know say, tell you the truth. Yeah, no. Yo, me a cut her now, enough respect. Yeah, man. Me a cut her now, look come more. Yeah, upon the life, me there, you know. Nobody do nobody know me a chat about for sure you how me stay.
That not to do with no yes.
So you not feel give me an attitude.
But I tell me one bag of unnecessary things. I'm just come and ask you one question. I can't go weird around the world.
If you never want to go way around the world, you want to turn up right to so right now.
Yeah, talk to me. What you did I say?
Is there a reason why you turn up here so you know? Because you want to go way
Yes, let me
around
tell
the
you the
world.
truth. What is the truth?
Alright. Now what you like still you know about you like when you're brown and your shape good and me like slim girl. Slim girl are my type. I too like when them fat.
Slim man are not my type there.
Slim man are not your type.
No.
No bother with that man. That's just some man. Slim man are not your type.
No.
Now make this a slim man and be your type.
You can't be my
Girl,
type.
browning. What's your name? As a,
You not even know that.
you not have, me not have to know that.
No.
Well, me I'll tell her something. You feel like some come about the place you always small and where I be a little idiot they always small and a bad man place me come from a town where me lack off much millions and how much rifle. You feel me off there so I true me give myself too much trouble in me there at town. Me a done in my place, you know. Me a bad boy up on my place. That me a make you know.
You can't ask for something bad boy in your place.
I ask.
So none of that feel frighten me.
No, I mean I try frighten me. Not because I see me look so simple. Don't take me simple. Because me a done at my place. You know how much millions me have up there?
That still not interest me.
You they come to Davi right now, I know Davi can't do nothing for you. Davi can protect you. Davi can feed you.
He's a hard-working child, man. Me good with.
Even if you're hard working, he can feed, he can protect you.
I can't listen to another chat for you.
Where they go? Where they
No
go?
manners.
Who not have no manners? Where your name?
You don't have to know that.
As a matter of fact, girl, me a bad man in my place now. And you have to tell up, yes sir, let me talk to you. You can't walk off from me and me not talk to you. I'm this girl, nobody know you. Nobody don't know you, you know. And I done like I'm running from my place, come down and start chatting and
So anything
attitude.
where you ask it, all that concern.
Who know you? Who know you always?
concern.
Nobody know you from town. Now go on. You're red like a duck's nest.
Yeah, what you look so?
Me bex, man, me bex.
No, I'm telling you. Hold on, I can tell you. Come here, some
Come on.
baby. Just put the guinea pig on. Me have some good news. Me have some good news, baby. You know, say today me have one terrible day. Come here and tell about my brother just workless and all nothing. But you know, so since mommy dead and gone, I just me and brother alone. up until a couple years ago. Brother moved to town and I look for him and I can't cuss him. I know you ask me I eat that, but I'm my brother. What me I go do? Baby.
Hold it.
Baby, hold on.
I never say you eat it, I say you hack like a heat, but you eat it.
Baby, hold on, man. Let me tell him. So I think about all them sitting there. So the Holy Spirit send me to go pray. And while on my knees I'm talking to God, God say, yo, just give people time, people can change. So me just go pick some and honestly, like, me feel so much better, baby. Cause, you know, baby, honestly, God know, and my brother that, me not see nobody in this world to make me hate my brother. A matter of fact, if somebody come to me with some news and me not like one brother, believe me, say me good, just them off and dash them all like this. Like that bunch of Guinea there. You see how many love the Guinea there, I'm not even business about it. That's why me cut them off. Anybody if it come to me about now, bad news about my brother, because I'm my brother.
Take up it, I'm not cooking. Take it up.
Don't worry about that. So what kind of good news you say you have?
Oh, I hear that tell you. This is one friend down here, go to me and I meet up in our store. I say, me and I did that ketchup and something. So I didn't get to cook, that means that that's why I'm a bit. I know you go upstairs.
Yeah, I leave that, man. I leave that, man. Don't worry about it. I like how
the stuff. I'm not cook, so I better take up it.
Yeah, I like my face have some bad news, not me.
No,
Yeah, guys, stop up the script. Enough respect. No respect for that money going there, enough.
You see, I forgot to TikTok live.
Yeah, bro, yeah.
Where are you?
Yo, come show your face, though.
Oh, yeah, the camera friendly. You know what they apply?
Yo, enough respect for that.
Well, you know what they apply with that?
Yo.
You're good?
Yeah, man, you kind of go, man.
Right. Bro, you know what I'm saying? I'm not telling you that this man get up and corrupt dog, but I just feel like I'm in a good mood today, dog. You know, like certain things I start look past and because I realize I got good every day, dog.
So,
God, no. So, yeah, David, you ain't see me one come over here.
hey, which one that? How she look?
One brown girl, man. Look, kind of tall. Look, not really tall, but look a bit shorter than me. Brown.
Yeah.
No,
sir, I don't see her.
You not see him?
No, sir, nobody not come today.
I think he said they check me today, but I know I'm all preach too. So, what go on? You ain't get to watch them play them.
You know, so I'm not telling you a lie, bro. I never get to watch them. But I deal with them.
You deal?
Yeah.
Hello, yeah. Yo, I know shit that come around, dog.
No respect feeling like say no man and the roses them man. Always support me man, just big up on yourself. No.
Oh, yeah, clean man.
I tell you, I have to clean up the place. You know, you can't, the pan ends, bro, and no say how the place look away and no say how.
God, you know that. Them I talk about from when dog. Watch you know. Yo, I know, so from fall, me I give you one time, you know, that about keep your place clean and something. But I don't really my intention, dog. I just not grow with certain things, dog. I'm not like certain style, but keep on saying nothing, dog. Watch you know. So watch you. Buy for 130,000, you know, dog. You know if you can sit yourself, but
Yo.
give me one gear, dog. You know, to kind of keep it, not even keep the pace, dog, but just.
Yo, thanks a lot, bro. No long more want to watch, bro.
You see, you ready?
You know what's ready, bro?
And then you sit and me a talk about that.
Yo, me a come with father. Yo,
I that way, man, flicky down on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I try a different brand, dog, from how you stuff. So, yeah, dog.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah, bro, at least that, man.
Appreciation. Yo, you want a bad dog.
That, man. That dog, but me I jump on the works too, so let's go and do it, you see me?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, my dog.
Most get a girl under this.
Y'all can go check on the road, please, anything.
And you have to teach me road code, you know, bro. Make me know how to go out on the road. Now, remember, say, yo,
Bro, that's.
come from here, you know. I know me not see you take me out of here and carry me go somewhere. You know.
Man, you must say, you're a bad boy, you know, man. No boy can't do nothing. Just walk your road one day, man. You have to find something, man. You see me?
Sorry.
So you said me charging a whopper lapper today?
From both them and I see what going down. But you see, the little way about me, I wonder what going to pay, man. Now you know music I play like in and forward.
See, where I see, I'm going to check on the hour.
That me have brain. I see what going on.
Alright, yeah.
I'm going to put them in for yourself.
Hello. You know what I say? We are gonna be nice to you, cause even though we are bad man at town and we are done at town, I will try to be nice at first once in my life. Now make you know, see yesterday when I come over the yard, come and ask for Davi. Even though before we get there, me never know say, yeah my brother did that. Oh, yesterday me know when I come over yard now. And they ask me, but even though I kind of this yesterday, I'm not going to say me this, I kind of this because you first this me.
But are you wrong to stop me?
I'm going to apologize. I am so sorry. Not say me this here. Yeah, my brother, woman.
Davi over there?
Davi. No, sir.
I do want money to collect from me.
Money?
Yeah.
Some money in your lease, baby. You can't collect money from them, the boy.
You just apologize when I tell me say you know me and your brother woman and here we are.
Don't worry about that, man. Money at least, man. If I money I want, me not thinking over there right now. I say if I money I want right now, me got that. Come out here, it's sun, man. I want to see a ball of the nice, clean skin. But anyways now, I'll give you money. I don't tell nobody say me give you no money. Because I'm rich. I'm rich still, you know. I may feel a par and everything, but I have to keep it as a secret.
Oh, so much money that.
No worry, head woman, I'm rich. $500,000 for months and 1.5 for next year. Just to make nobody know so me give you money. So I'm $2,000.
And nobody feel like say you can use the money and catch me.
No, I'm not use the money and catch me. I give you money because I feel a way how me deal with it yesterday.
$2,000 can't make up for how you deal with me.
No worry yourself, woman. No worry about that. May have more money, you just have to check me, but don't make nobody know when you check me and don't make nobody know what I want. But anyways, no girl, where your name?
My name is Tiana.
So Tiana?
Yes.
No girl on the panel lane, because that me about fear look out right now.
Yeah, they run around corner room, so.
How far? Because remember me not too know about the place.
10 minutes prior, so.
Oh, so which direction? So or so?
Take 3 left, right, turn.
3 left, right, turn. Right, turn.
Then you find
3
them.
left, right, turn. You find them?
Yes.
Alright, up so then it.
Go up so, then you take 3 left, right, turn.
3 left, right, turn.
Yes.
Alright, so where I go?
May I go down there, so. Go check what I'm doing.
So, me
Davi
can see you next time.
You know say I go look for your girl them?
No, me just a walk my foot. Me just a stretch my foot. But like when I buck up and you know, I could have can turn back with you.
No. No. I forgot to pat the pan for you. I please me up.
So, me can come home for dinner.
Eh?
Me
Come
can,
over dinner?
yeah.
No. Alright, go on. Later.
So, you go on. Me should have take back the money. So a girl tell me, say, be a girl over here, son. Nobody know over here. Watch me and I let me go. Yeah, just a steer for me, sir. Why pray? Where the pot? You know a man a steer for me, and you know where me come from.
I know you come from, father.
Yo, give me them a two, cause something funny, boy. Something funny.
Father, easy for look.
Where the steer from?
Easy, father, man. Easy, father, man.
Where you up to?
God, man.
Where you up to, boy? Where you up to?
No up to nothing, father, man. No up to
Eh?
nothing, man.
Don't steer from bad man and I say bad man. Hey,
Alright,
I'm gonna take them and lick in here.
no, father, oh God, man. You cannot do me that, father, man. You can't steal me, father, man.
Where are them people them bars so early?
No, some people.
Well, like a some thief, you know, man.
No, man. Thief guys can't look so.
What you mean? You know what, we church stick we make you look like a style like things doing when nothing I do, no. Boy, which one of that me come about? Yo, hold them up. Watch me and I get out of the book. So, not even see girl man, you go there man. I was sleep.
You know them not so at all.
Girl,
Yeah, I could never make sure out of front of your papa from Guinea. I couldn't ask.
It hang off out on the roadside.
Oh,
You never mark
I know
never
mine.
mark funny.
What one?
I want to tell you. Yeah, but how me see the supermarket and me tell you say the name TV sound familiar.
You ring a bell, remember?
Yes, so we have to do a check up on him. I get to find out say TV a one low class, nasty, disgusting man. TB. She used to do with my friend them. And my friend tell me say him beat him with draws. And dash him out. And first of all, I know how to think about it. TB a thief from town. TB can't go back to town, y'all.
Me ever get a bad feeling about that TV, man? So me no want the brother feel like I told me I turn against him.
So wait there. What do you mean by the brother? I don't understand we are.
TB is my man, brother.
TB
Is my man, brother.
is your man, brother, is in your man.
I'm my man, brother.
Oh, so you have a thieving brother-in-law.
Right.
You're going to the thieving family.
Look at that girl.
And what? Tell him, man.
While you me go up there, I mean I look at Davi. You man I'll try, him brother try look me. I mean, me say when me go fit there Davi evening, Davi say, nobody can turn my mind from a brother. So me just say, he asked me what me did I say, me say nothing, me just meet different in I told, that's how you me at all. Me just love it.
Girl, you see all him? He go and learn at the longer run. And TB gonna mash him up. Girl, me here see a rob, TB rob on Chinese
He
school.
got a thief, he true, you know, and I tell me about him a bad man at town and...
TB is not bad, TB only act bad.
Girl, tell me something now, because I don't know what to do. I went, and earlier today me I walk good on me board. Because I go look for Davi and him. Did them? I don't know how often in their yard, but anyways. TV see me and apologize to me and argue me $2,000 girl. But so me don't want the argument, me just take it.
See, you really taking money from the boy?
Mama,
Thieving boy, that's it.
He had to ask me. He had to ask me if me know when hot girl there. Sometimes I take 3 left, right turn. You big go here, that team at 3 left. See me now 3 left, right turn. Me don't know what to do.
You see, you know, you are going to help TB put your man in a batty hole. Because you're going to take money from him.
He ain't done in a
He
body
go and ruin
already.
it on a relationship.
Mama, me and your friend, if you help me figure out something, because I don't like how I deal with man.
You can't figure out I know. Yes, never good idea.
Tell me.
You can't go meet TB. I make me and TB link up and me and TB start talk. I make him things that I want him when I don't want him. And beat him and teach him a lesson. But when I beat him, you record and use the blackmail when you feel like your brother yard.
What I know? You see me, you're a good girl, you know? You have sense. That's why I love you.
But when I do steals, when I make my friend from town come here, but my friend don't have time for TB. Yeah, that better if you see dirty ex. But she now go come here.
You can't do it, Mama.
Today I gotta do it or tomorrow.
We can do it today. By the way, now too, car. He must reach over there by now. He mount a 3 left right there. Me tell him he must for food. So I tell him say yeah, I want a hot girl then.
Alright, so if I know you want to do it, we can go do it then.
So come then, no, Mama.
Oh God, man. For me, I walk home. Me, I'm thirsty. What?
Take time, baby. You're feeling nice about it.
I said, I don't feel like man, you know.
What now? Atiana. What one? Can I come in?
I mean, yeah, it's that.
Oh, you have to invite in. You still left me that.
Oh, yeah, smart. Come in.
Wait. Come in. So, Tibi, the finding girl that I tell you about?
You know, say this, me know.
Oh, me this, yeah.
You
Me tell you take 3 left, right, you look like I take right, left turn.
and one man, me go around the bar, go sip and crutch thing.
Me say 3 left, right turn. Me
So,
follow.
3 left,
Listen.
right, 1 right turn. I think you can follow instruction
You
and
can't find
direction.
you. That's this a beautiful girl that me find around there for you.
Oh, you bring her for me.
Kayla, this is Tibi. Tibi, this is Kayla.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi,
Ah,
Tibi.
you bring her for?
You're blind?
I just said me have to rate it. Yo.
Yes, that's it.
I want to see big, you know, worry head. Somebody still rich, you know.
Yes,
So,
Tibi rich.
I left him a bill with her, look.
We go and get to know each other.
So, where are we?
Me go up on the ground.
Alright, go on, hurry.
Alright. Kayla, be there, say anything.
Yeah. So I'm going to be alright.
Me there, I know, Kayla, and I tell her, say, you have to rate that girl, you know, you don't say my brother, woman.
Yeah, I know that.
Rate her, you know. Cause if I never fish sheep, me never smell no long tail and boy, I'm glad me find that woman cause me walk the street yesterday whole time and
I saw she that tell me say she know I'm a bad man because she knows a bad man me like.
Oh, yeah,
I'm here see you come from town and then things that me like. Put my number in your phone.
yo, mama, me not really do like immediate thing on the phone business and more like if me can get a thing and you build back with me. The easy back.
You mean by that?
What I mean by that, me just give one little piece of money and you build with me, chill out, see there. You know what I do? You know where I go, me know that. Cause from she bring her come give me, you know. You know, say no, nothing I do say.
Oh, I me have to go. I go tell her if you go on, if you go talk to her and tell her something, go talk to her.
Oh,
Yeah. Tina, mama. I never forget this, yo. Wow. Me say the boy writing. Wow. The boy just see me today and know me today. I want me crutches. I beg me, boy will give me a little thing and me I'm do it.
Mama, as a teacher, me teacher, when the man at home, when you tell us someone, tell him, say, go so, you like nothing from money. So take the money and then when you say, you know, you have to
What did that? That come you don't even like him. Look at him, Maga.
so in time.
Hello.
wait, me never know say that walking, but sorry. Me had get something. If I find out so a small and girl them not like frozen man so I have a spray and smell good car. Me had get something. Get to find out so it's there always enough. I was shut up.
She not got it. Me talk to her, me just remember someone like it slipped my mind. You know, for me upon my monthly.
So when that I would done?
The next 2 days from now. So you have to understand it. Yeah?
Yeah man.
Alright, so we link you back here.
Yeah.
Later.
Make sure you come. Yo.
Brother, how make you not flush the toilet, dog?
Oh man, those dog.
Charge you, want make you not flush the toilet,
Water
dog?
the gun, you know, father.
Man, what you mean water the gas? Man, you can't go full one bucket and throw it, dog.
But they always gonna come insult me, no bad man. You know
Brother, what kind of insult man you make me get up and say me I go brush my teeth, me go in there, want send box me now nearly kill me, brother, you get dog. Brother, I know garrison life, this is not that, brother, niggas, I don't know, no nasty man place, you know that.
Brother, you know, see me go left your place and go back up bad man.
Brother, left place, what man, me I tell you right, dog.
Bad man, me not like how you deal with me. You deal with me like a son look up it, me brother.
Man, you I don't deal with that like, alright. Let me tell the argument alone. Charge me, me not say you, believe me, me not say nothing for say you. But me got 2-5 in my room and I can't find the dog.
So you want to say me?
Me ask you say if you see it.
Me?
Me ask you say if you see it. That alone me ask you.
Bro, me don't know, me not see nothing bad man. Me not see nothing. Ask a brown girl where always come here, brother.
Nah, me that time, we take your last one, dog. But dog, brother, just keep the place good now, dog. That alone me a bit, brother, and say me heart made in a dog. Man, you tell me say you really go mess up your bathroom, dog, and you couldn't flush it.
But you know say you can't go left your place, bad man.
Yo, you make it on your yo.
This me, no, dog.
Brother, me a come go out, dog.
So I see I'm a girl.
Today.
Not today. Go over there and beat him up. Suppose me I go over there and go lick me and beat me up.
Me there have to back you.
Alright, remember you have to have your phone ready.
Me
Yeah.
some free video.
Yeah, me.
Welcome, babes.
Hello, how are your friend? How are your friend?
Want my friend?
Yeah. Baby, me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do.
Stand up and talk to me now.
Then my brother man, TB, hey.
When do you?
Yo, me say, boy nasty. Every day I cuss him about plates, I cuss him about cleaning room. Guess what I do this morning? He got in the bathroom. You was the bathroom, you know. I don't flush the bathroom. Tell me say, oh no water in the pipe. Look how much jump me have out the door full of water. We boy just nasty. Me I tell him say some garrison lifestyle in the pan. Baby right now my cup full tea. Bring me no know what me I go do.
It's a run over?
Right now I have
something nice I got happen.
I give me one to give up. And on top of that too, me not say I him because I don't know my brother has no teeth, but
right. And that me not like with you.
What?
You don't everybody. You don't know if I'm me a thief, him a thief, she a thief. You don't know.
Who she or who thief?
Mama, me just has to stop.
You
You don't know who is the thief. Me tell you say I can feel that you know.
No, but what's your name? Me have to
You not thief, you not good friend.
No man, me know. Me feel say me have one two.
Right way.
Me did have 125. Me don't know if I misplace or me spend.
Did he see in the house when I have it?
Yeah. I'm alone there, yeah. That
Did he see where you put it?
I put it down in my room. Me can't.
So him not going there with who else have access to your room?
Nobody else. Me never see him going there, so me can't see him. But baby, me don't know. God no, I feel like give up.
Whatever you know.
Me never sign up for them sitting here right now. My heart hurt.
Me never sign up for all of this year. I say me have my personal life to deal with. So my life I got to deal with that business there and now.
Alright, baby.
Baby, I go up on his wall go deal with me. So me soon come here.
I go hold on meds or something.
Alright.
Me don't know.
Can go and sleep if you want.
Are you man that?
I first time know
Look how big and thick and he can't lick down mother cranny body to be.
Tell us if you're idiot, girl.
Idiot. And you're the biggest idiot. You're there with that idiot. You're the biggest puppy show. Come on.
One man, sure.
Timmy! Akela! Make sure that the phone ready, you know.
Wow, those stars.
Wow, alright.
You must alright. You come back, you think you don't general me out and peel me out.
Soon come, girl.
Alright, girl.
Soon come. Don't move it up.
No.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, man. Long time.
So, babe, is even before we start everything,
Yeah.
I want to ask you something. I ask you one little question. Come here, man. Come here. So, why are you so Did this if you look pan?
What you mean, man?
Me I hear in the street say, you're no bad man.
Baby, where you hear that from? I lie them I tell. Me a bad man anywhere me go, anywhere me there. Me a done a town, you know.
Me hear from good source. Talk you true. Me hear from good source say you're no bad man.
I know say I true you. No tell you true. You know say me a bad man for real. Me just told me talk and move. People afraid of me. And true, me no born and grow west town me come from. So everybody go afraid of me and think so me bad. But even if me see one rich right now, I don't fast like anything. I run.
So me ask one question. So what really happened to the front home?
No, sir, I'm a girl put me out though.
Oh God, man. Oh God. So you're no bad man none at all?
No.
And your woman dash out you?
Yeah.
Oh God, I feel sorry for you. Oh God.
But baby, I call me tell you the truth. You don't think say a full time now for give me car. I rate time me tell you know.
Oh my, of course, baby. We're going to get the picture. Don't worry, we're going to be special. Very special. We're going to do. You're going to be unique.
So me know say you love me, you know, like special things, you know.
Yes. One pair of eye.
Tell me I.
Yes.
Oh,
One tight.
special.
Yes, turn on.
Yeah. It's most special for you.
Very
know,
special, baby.
First me I get them a treatment, you know.
I don't.
First me I get them a treatment, baby.
First you ever come,
Yeah, baby.
and nigga will come get them a treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that treatment.
I love that.
Just take your time, baby.
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 Eh? friend that tell me about you.
Right. Beat him.
Get up what? Get up what I
That
give
the
him.
thief
Get
took
up.
me my money. Beat him.
Where did you get my money from?
In 2-5, where there?
So, what me can
Give 2-5 lick.
You
No.
me didn't want you?
2-5 lick more.
Me didn't want you?
Oh, so this is a prank.
I set
Yes,
up.
I set up.
You know see camera big up prank. Give him 2-5 lick.
Hey, lock off that.
Next time I talk to my friend, you what? Can't talk to my friend from a bust up your face. You think you're no bad man, boy?
No bad
Come on,
man.
you come like you're a bad man. And we run this.
Say it.
You can like camera and say that.
I am not a bad man.
I am not a bad man.
And the
Right.
girl throw me out.
And the girl throw me out.
I'm a fool.
I mean, a fool.
You fuck up your things and I come out of the girl.
Oh, tell me man.
Where things them there?
Let me tap it video. Wait.
See them there.
Take them up.
You see the video now when I come home
Me
and
no-
expose
me no-
it
me no
on
have
every
nowhere to go.
website.
Me no busy mother. Fuck up your things and I
You
come
were
out.
big enough.
Girl, let me handle this now. You got this there.
I
Alright.
got this. Yes, mama.
When I'm funny, I got my yard.
Hurry up too. Hurry up. Mama. Are you ready to go?
You there?
Send the video to me.
Yeah.
To this thing. Send it to this. Walk up. Walk up. Come on. Bright. Ciao.
How you go back, dog?
Yo, bad man, you tell us, bro, right now, me get a call, say the police them find out when you locate bad man, you have to lift clutch now.
No, dog, but me and other house you can't turn, you can't turn, dog.
Bad man, you have to change the location.
So which way you go?
Bro, right now, I don't even know, but right now, me have to move fast, dog. Where you say, you bring me somewhere else or what? Or, bro, you come at me, have to just go on up, bro, anything or anything right now.
Yo, so you come and reach up.
Yeah, bro, me get up, bro, cause,
Alright.
yo, just keep in contact with me, bro, and make sure I'm safe, dog.
Alright, dog.
Yeah, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me just some brother a while ago and he want to tell me the police find out say I have some elephant, you have to run around.
Yeah.
Oh God, man, I'm a little brother and I'm sorry for him.
That's how I feel. Oh, me know that brother, but I feel that thing, but cheer up, everything work out for the best.
You feel so?
Yeah, everything work out for the best.
But
And you know, I deal with the place good too. If you see how me deal with in a room.
boy, no. I don't know still, but maybe everything off the best.
Everything is for the best. So yeah, but now.
Be there sitting there, maybe I can live to come out.
Yeah, man.
And like how I'm gone and now I have space where we can move in back.
Yeah, me already moved in.
Alright, perfect.
Alright, me don't have to sweep up as still.
Alright, so you have made it to the end of the video. So hear what is going on. Thank you so much. Remember, if you didn't like already, please leave a like. Subscribe, comment your favorite part, all of them things there. Oh, I remember to go over to which channel them too. You have Kayla Films, Coloring Book TV, True World TV, PFS Films, Toga TV. You know my whole 9 yards. You see me? Remember, see I one link for everybody. So people, just continue tuning, continue like up it, continue share up it. Because without any of you guys, none of this is possible. So thank you so much and have a great day from Davi Dan HD.